Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my third graders. Hopefully that you are doing great, whenever, wherever you are. To this session, we are going to discuss grammar topic, which is the sentence, which is the sentence. If you open your book, this one, okay, you will find on page 32, what is a sentence? The first lesson, what is a sentence? Okay, the sentence is a group of words. A group of what? Words that tells me a complete thought. So number one, it's a group of words. Number two, tells me a complete idea or thought. How it will be a complete thought? I'll know it tells me who did the action or who does the action. At the same time, what happens. So it will be a complete thought if it tells me what or who does the action and at the same time what happens. Like Ahmed eats. It's a sentence. How do you know? Because Ahmed is the subject who does the verb, and eat fish or eat here is the action he does. Okay? If we're gonna look at those examples to differentiate between what is a sentence and what is not a sentence, my best friend, yeah, we know who he is. He's your best friend. But what happens? What does he do? We don't know. So this is not a sentence. If we move to the second example, my best friend found a dog. Yeah, it's a sentence. Why it's a sentence? Because it gives me a complete thought. I know who he is, my best friend, and what did he do? He found a dog. Number two, barks all the night. Barks means make the sound of dog. We don't know who or what barks, okay, but just we know what happened. Who did it? We don't know. Here, the dog barks all the night. So it's a complete thought. I know this is a sentence. How did you know? Because number one, we know what barks. Number two, we know what happened. This dog barks all the night. So if we know who or what and what happens, so this is a sentence. Okay? Let's move to practice. On the same page, page 32, you can see it here. Here, I'm going to ask you those questions and you have to answer them. Number one, all those questions will speak about those kind of dogs, okay, which you can see in the picture. So number one, Buddy does many tricks. It's a sentence. Good. Why it's a sentence? Because I know who and what happened. Who and what happened. That is why it's a sentence. Okay. Number two, Buddy barks. Okay, it's a sentence. Why? Because what barks? It's a body. What happens? Bark. So we know who does the action and the action or the verb itself. Number three, big paws and floppy ears. Okay, like big hands for the dog, paws, and floppy ears dropped down like this. Okay, what happened for those ears? We don't know. It's okay, so this is not a sentence. Number four, he sleeps all day. It's a sentence. Why? We know who does or the action, it's he, and what happens, he sleeps all the day. Number five, his favorite rubber ball. It's not a sentence. What happened for his rubber ball? this rubber ball, what happens? Okay, he plays with it. We don't know what happens. So this is not a sentence. Okay. Number 6, plays with the cat. Also, it is not a sentence. If someone of you could tell me, yes, you, good. It is not a sentence because we don't know who or what does the action. Who plays? We don't know. So it is not a sentence. Number 7, they never fight. They never fight. It's a sentence. Why it's a sentence? Because here we know who never fight, they, and what happens, never fight. So it's a sentence. Also, we have page 33, more practice or more exercise. Those exercises, you can answer them on your own at home. Okay. Also, you can stop the video and copy those answers at your main book, English book. Okay, page 33. Okay. Thank you for watching.